Master Chef Phoenix, Arizona.
We are here.
Here's our Master Chef Florenda.
From Ibiza. We were here.
Master Chef, what's the next step?
Master Chef.
Luto kami tinola nga.
Gordon Ramsay.
Tinola nga utan. Ano ba nga? Laswa.
Oh my goodness.
Record lang ko.
Record lang.
This is our Master Chef.
Mga apo ni Bibi.
Apo ni Lula Manang. Ni Auntie Manang. Gali Auntie Manang. And this is the junior Auntie Manang.
Future.
Ariya day ang ginawa.
Sado na, Master Chef.
Oo.
How do you cut this? Slant?
Like what la? Like what la? Show it.
Can you show me again? Like, how you like that?
Doon.
In English, I can't really understand.
In English la?
Cut.
Like that?
Yeah.
Wow! Tingnan natin kung ano yung ginagawa ng asawa ko dito kasama yung aking pinsan. What are you guys doing out here?
Looking at a wild tortoise.
Wild
Uruguay.
tortoise?
Yeah, it's Master
Where is he?
Uruguay.
Oh. Yun yung alaga niya na tortoise. Luto na ang laswa ni Lola Flor. Laswa sa amon sa Capiz. Lauoy yata ito sa ano sa Bisaya, hindi ko alam.
Wala ka sa batsian, bra. Pwede ko
yum.
nagkakaloto ay mga uga kayo magdoktorihan.
So meron ditong kalabasa, okra, lamhay, ano yung lamhay? Saluyot. May mushrooms, may patola, may okra, ano pa yung gulay dito? Laswa. Makaon ta, may mais pagali. Meron ding mais. My first meal with my family here in Arizona, laswa. Vegetable soup and bulad, uga na danggit,
My favorite.
and Jollibee spaghetti. And of course rice.
Good man.
Here, spaghetti for you.
Thank you.
When you first come to the house in Philippines,
Laswa yung aking asawa.
Lola,
I'm proud
give
of
you
you.
something to last one and then you taste like that.
I'll show them your talent.
I asked them if they want to watch movie
Laswa.
later,
You good?
so they have activity.